Introducing the Multifunctional Knife Pliers, the ultimate outdoor survival tool that combines multiple functions in one compact design. With its tactical knife, needle nose pliers, wire cutter, screwdrivers, and more, this tool is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from hunting and camping to home improvements and emergencies. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and coated with black oxidation, this tool is built to last and withstand even the toughest conditions. With its compact size and sturdy nylon pouch, this multifunctional EDC is easy to carry on any adventure, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way.